Jacob, JacobViral.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
Anthony.
Yes, sir. YouTube, JacobViral.
All right.
Nice. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Very nice. Who built the box?
My guy Ali.
Okay. Do you know the tuning on it at all?
32.
Around 32? Okay.
And low.
Nice. 518s.
Yep.
Which branch are these?
These are the BLV3s.
BLV3s. And then the amp and battery back here. Nice. And then this is what is it wired to?
There's one on right now.
Okay. Is this 45 amp hour?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Do you have
I had the D70. I had the D75 last time, and now I upgraded to all of that.
Nice. Do you have a upgraded alternator?
Yes, sir.
All right. Doing a little YouTube video. What's up, man? JacobViral. He's showcasing his build for me for a video.
I really do, because last time they were clowning me. Right. Trying to get a demo of this bullshit.
Hey, it's all right. It's better than nothing.
That's my boy. Hey, Trent, why you trying to get a demo of you?
I'm recording it now.
What's your name?
Jacob.
JacobViral?
JacobViral, that's me.
Oh, shit.
What's up, man? You watch me? JacobViral, you gotta. Yes, sir.
You posted my boy video.
Yeah, man.
You posted him already.
No. It's all good. It's all fun. And you got a dual Pioneer head unit?
Yeah, it's still hanging out. I gotta get it in, bezel, whatever it's called.
It's all good. What is the best frequency response you're getting out of it, tuning wise? Like, do you know where you play best?
33, 34 around there.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around Trent just gave of his system. Dual 18-inch subwoofer system. I went ahead and added a link in the description. Video, definitely recommend checking out if you haven't seen that video already. That was the thumbnail at the time, a little over a year ago. So definitely recommend seeing to see how much louder he's come now versus then and the progressions. So be sure to give Trent a like, as well as shout out to you, man. You did a really good job showcasing your system and a big improvement. So comment and let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive. Got a couple things to mention. First, he has sub up, port back. I get comments and questions all the time. Where should I put my port? Where should I put my box on these type of SUVs and Tahoes, etc.? So having subs up, port facing back is usually the most optimal output for a response for an SUV like this most of the time. Of course, there's different variations. Some of you guys that have been doing a lot of boxes and output tests on your SUVs could give some feedback. But sub up, port back seems to be the best on that. Did a good job with that. Also recommend, if possible, always slide your box back a little. Give it at least 10 to 12 inches of gap room between your port and the back hatch. So he didn't have enough room, but he made it work, fitting two 18-inch subwoofers behind the back seat. So shout out to you, did a really good job. Also having that big 8,000 watt amplifier wired to 1 ohm on this dual 18-inch subwoofer setup. These subwoofers are rated at either 1,500 or 2,000 watts RMS. So after rise and voltage drop, clamped power, he's probably putting a solid, clean 2,000 watts on these subs. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned for daily cardio videos. Sweet.
She loves, I'm telling you, she loves the lows. Like,
okay. Is it better windows up or down? Windows up? All right. phone calls. It's all good, man.
I should have put no do not.
That is a really good song for your notes. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you, man. Woo.
That is might be my redemption video.
Oh yeah, can I see the back one more time?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yeah. What's your name, man?
JacobViral.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
Anthony.
Yes, sir. YouTube JacobViral.
All right.
Nice. 2.5 BL 18s on a 8K at 1 ohm. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.